Welcome to our channel where we review the latest and greatest products in the market. In this video, we will compare two of the most popular espresso machines with a built-in grinder. We will evaluate these machines based on various categories and help you decide which one is better suited for your needs. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. The Mueller espresso machine is priced at $419, while the COSIKIE Espresso machine is priced at $699. While the COSIKIE is more expensive, it has more features and better performance that justify the additional cost. Both machines are highly versatile, with the ability to grind and brew coffee. The Mueller espresso machine offers dual brew functionality, allowing you to brew both single and double shots of espresso. The COSIKIE espresso machine takes it up a notch with steam wand functionality, allowing you to froth your own milk for that perfect foam. The COSIKIE espresso machine has 15 grind settings, allowing you to switch from fine to coarse grinds. It also offers exclusive grinding technology, delivering a precise grind every time. On the other hand, the Mueller espresso machine has a conical burr grinder that can create uniform grounds in both single and double batches. Both machines have easy-to-use controls, but the COSIKIE espresso machine offers a simpler, more intuitive interface with simple buttons. The Mueller espresso machine has a knob selector that allows you to cycle through your options, which may take some getting used to. And there you have it, folks. We hope this comparison video has helped you decide which espresso machine with a built-in grinder is right for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.